Exploring the future, the self-piloted drone. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and innovative topic: self-piloted drones. These are not just ordinary drones. They represent a leap forward in technology and autonomy. If you're curious about what makes a drone self-piloted and why it matters, you're in the right place. Let's unfold the mystery together and discover the implications of this advanced technology. Before we delve into self-piloted drones, let's first understand what a drone is. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is an aircraft without a human pilot on board. Drones can be controlled remotely by a human operator or, increasingly, autonomously by onboard computers. They come in various shapes and sizes and are used for numerous purposes, from recreational photography to sophisticated military operations. Now, let's talk about what self-piloted means. A self-piloted drone is capable of flying without direct human control. Instead of being manually operated, these drones rely on sensors and advanced algorithms to navigate the environment, make decisions, and complete tasks. This autonomy is made possible through technologies like GPS, computer vision, and artificial intelligence, AI. The self-piloted aspect signifies a significant leap towards full autonomy, where drones can perform complex operations independently. Understanding the workings of self-piloted drones is fascinating. These drones utilize a combination of sensors, such as cameras and ultrasonic sensors, to perceive their surroundings. They process this data using AI and machine learning algorithms to recognize objects, avoid obstacles, and understand their location relative to the world around them. This process allows them to navigate safely and efficiently, even in challenging environments. The applications for self-piloted drones are vast and varied. They're revolutionizing industries by offering innovative solutions for aerial photography, agriculture, search and rescue operations, and even delivery services. In agriculture, for example, drones can autonomously survey land, monitor crop health, and distribute pesticides. Similarly, in search and rescue operations, self-piloted drones can quickly cover large areas, providing critical information and assistance without putting human lives at risk. The future of self-piloted drones is incredibly promising. As technology advances, we can expect drones to become even more autonomous, efficient, and capable of performing an ever-expanding array of tasks. This progress could lead to drones being integrated into everyday life, from delivering packages to assisting in emergency responses. The potential is limitless, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. We hope this video has illuminated the fascinating world of self-piloted drones for you. These machines are not just a glimpse into the future. They are actively shaping it with their capabilities and the potential to transform industries and everyday life. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the sky. Remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of technology with us. See you in the next video.